Hello. Good morning, friends. Today we are going to talk about one software company which is NEWGEN Software Technologies. Friends, I must tell you that this NEWGEN Software Technology is a multinational company which is offering the technical solution to the civil, engineering, construction company, technology to various companies and to the architectural companies. So I must say, if you really ask me, this is a software company which is providing more or less the software solution to the realty sector. Now we cannot say that this is a software company for realty only. It is giving to the other companies also. But the reason for taking this company is that this company is, for the last 1 year I have seen, is giving excellent results month after month and quarter after quarter. So first of all, while we check the stress, whether the company is in the stress or company is not in the stress, so we actually look into the three parameters, and these three parameters are sales, operating profit and the net profit margin. This is actually for the swing trading or for a very short term trading, right? Now, because if you want to invest something, then the parameters are very different. If you want to invest for 2-3 years, the parameters are different. But for short term or for the swing trading, swing trading means from 2 days to say couple of months. So then the parameters are just three. That is, first, what is the revenue? Out of the three parameters, the sales or the sales revenue or the revenue is the parameter which has got the least of what I say is the percentage in terms of marks given. So in my opinion, I gave only out of 100 10 marks to the sales or revenue, because the other factors are more important. Now friends, if you see, as far as the sale is concerned, continuously the sale actually is rising over the quarters, right? And then what we have seen is that quarter to quarter, December quarter to March quarter, there is an increase of 22.42% in the sales. If you consider the March 22 and March 23 quarter, the sales increase is 35%. So in both the cases, quarter to quarter and the year to year, there is a consistent rise in the sales quarter to quarter and for the various months also. Now let us check on the operating profit. Now this is operating profit. Operating profit means Kamkaji Munafa, or in other words, that after deducting the expenses, find expenses for selling the products, what is the profit which is left. Now if you see the quarter to quarter, this actually the rise in the profit is 64.29%, and year to year from 63.66 to 91.46, the rise is 46%. So there is a huge rise in the operating profit, right? And the third parameter, we are just checking whether the company is stressed or not. So far the company is has no stress, and let us check the final parameter. The final parameter is the net profit margin. Year to year, this is just say about 1.5%, but quarter to quarter, if you see friends, this is 36.68%. Now in my opinion, the company is not under the stress, because the fundamentals of the company for a short term or for the swing trading, they are excellent. So this is a stock which is basically meant for the short term trading or the swing trading stock at present. Now fundamentals we have checked, and now let us see actually what chart says. Friends, here actually I want to tell you one thing is that whosoever is the trader, see, 90% of your time must go into reading the charts. If you are reading the charts correctly, means you have started earning. So spend time on charts. So let us see actually what this NEWGEN Technologies has to say. Friends, I must say that I had started dealing with this at 345, and the lowest was 300 and say for 30 sometime back, maybe about in the November. but I am continuously dealing with it. Here actually it had some bad moments, or it was in going through a bad patch. Nevertheless, once it took up, now this is in the rising momentum. Okay, and till the stock is above 540, you are very safe. Now, what is happening at present? At present, what is happening is, this is actually, friends, I must tell you here that this is, I have taken 1 year daily chart, right? So, first of all, it is the first the arithmetic that we have drawn is, it has already given 100% in roughly about 5 or 6 months time. Okay, now from 340 it went up to 680, so it has given exactly 100% in couple of months. Now here this is a flag formation. Now the flag formation shows that once there is a flag formation, that now the chart has got scope of going from, say, from 560 to this is your 540. It has another, say, 640. So it can go by another about, say, 40-50 rupees before the results up, number one. And let us see what the target brokers have given for it. The short term target for brokers, that is for the next 3 months, friends, is as high as 825. Number one. Results are expected on 20th of August. Now they are not declared, but every time the second quarter results are coming, and this time they will be available around 20th of August. So that means you have about 20 days time, and in 20 days time, if you make anywhere between 10% to 20% to 30%, I think this will be a very, very good buy at the present price. Nevertheless, if you get the price little less, you will be lucky. Now, friends, one thing I want to tell you, those of you who want to catch the lowest price and the lowest buying price and the highest selling price, for them our strategy actually is that price and moving average of 2. Both the ways you will catch the lowest and the highest price, but the frequency of trades will be more. Understood? First strategy is, in short term, if you want to catch the lowest and highest, then price, then you deal with a moving average of 2, fine, as I have done here. Blue is the price line and red is the moving average. If you want to have large profits, then of course the best option that is available is the weekly charts with a moving average of 2. You can see here the moving charts with a moving average of 2. Friends, you know, I have seen it thousands of times. I have seen in the last about 10 years time that this average actually is the best. You see, I just tell you one thing here, that actually the price, it had given a buy at 360, and 360, this buy was given, say, roughly about 19th of December, and from that continue, the sell actually has come here, that is 657. Now if you 300 rupees rise it has given, what else do you want? So I say that no, I'm sorry, basically it had given say sell here, and again buy here, and it continued. So you know, if you want to still here, you know, if you ask me, let us just be very real into this. At 440, roughly about April, actually it had given a buy signal. You see, buy signal around 8th April at 440.50, and April, May, June, in 2 months time it has given 50%. That is fantastic. Now from my side, friends, I have given you this stock, NEWGEN software. Even in the previous quarters, the results were fantastic. Last 4 quarters the results are fantastic. Before buying, you check with your broker certainly. I think till the time it gives good results, you can continue to buy and sell on the weekly basis. You will make lot of money. So friends, thank you very much. Go strategically, don't blindly speculate. The strategy will give you money, speculation will never give you money. Thank you very much and have a nice day.